In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 2D graphics in Replit Python. We'll walk through setting up your workspace in Replit, creating a fresh Python project, and writing simple graphics so you can see shapes appear on screen, then run and share your work. Start by opening the Replit homepage. If you're not already there, head to the main dashboard so you can create a new project. From the home view, look for the developer framework or templates area. This is where Replit groups starting points you can remix, which saves time and ensures the environment is configured properly. Choose the Python template. This gives you a clean main.py file and the standard project structure. Next, click Remix. Remixing creates your own copy of the template, so you can edit without affecting the original. As soon as your copy is ready, rename the project to something clear and searchable, like 2D graphics. Good naming helps you find it later and makes sharing more professional. Confirm the setup by selecting Use Framework. This finalizes the environment Replit will use to run your code and makes sure dependencies tied to the template are in place. Once your editor opens, you're ready to type in your 2D graphics. Think about the scene you want, maybe a background color, a sun, a house, or a simple logo built from circles and rectangles. Keeping a quick sketch in mind helps you organize shapes and coordinates. Now, write your first 2D graphics code. In Python, you can use a beginner-friendly library such as Turtle or a graphics package supported by your template. Start small. Set up a drawing window or canvas, pick a color, and draw a single shape like a square or a circle. Keep your code tidy by grouping related lines and adding comments that describe each shape you're drawing. If your first shape appears, you know your setup is working. Add more 2D shapes to build up your scene. Layer shapes in the order you want them to appear. Adjust positions by changing X and Y values, and vary colors and line thickness to create contrast. Reuse helper functions to draw repeated elements consistently and keep coordinates organized so edits are easy. Small incremental changes make it simpler to spot and fix mistakes. When you're ready, hit run. Watch the output panel for errors and use any messages to guide quick fixes. If everything looks right, you can share your project directly from Replit by copying the project link. That link lets others run your graphics in the browser without installing anything. And that's it. Your 2D graphics in Replit Python ready to view, tweak, and share.